me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it.
Good morning, everybody. Well, morning for me anyway. Hello, whatever time of day you are watching me. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my latest Motivation Monday. As I'm having an organising day today, and it's all good because today is really not about how I look. It is about how I feel, and I want to feel motivated and organised. That is my goal for today. And today I'm doing something that I wanted to do for months, no exaggeration, months. I bought all the bits that I need to do it like 2 weeks ago, and they've been sitting there staring at me, waiting for me to do it, and today is my opportunity. I thought today's a perfect day to do it because I'm about to go out, take Cooper and do the food shop. So I thought a food shop is a perfect time to organise the fridge because I'm going to be filling the fridge with all our food for the week. So today's the day. Today's the day to do it, right? So yeah, that will be today's Motivation Monday. Let's organise my fridge together. Honestly, when Clint hears me say some of these things in the videos I do, he's like, why do people want to watch you do that? Thousands of people are going to watch you organise your fridge. Yes, they are. And I get it, don't worry, I get it. So I'm going to go and do a food shop with my baby boy, who's waiting patiently over there. And then I'll come home and get started. Let's do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is obviously clean all the shelves. I'm going to be using the pre-soap filled pads that you may have seen in my previous oven cleaning video. These things are amazing. Obviously, the more you scrub, the more soap is released and it gets off any sort of dried on tough marks that you might find on your fridge shelves, like this one here. So yeah, highly recommend these if you are cleaning your shelves. Obviously, the shelves can be completely removed if you prefer. I couldn't really be bothered to fiddle with taking them out, and I just thought it was easier to clean them while they were in the fridge, but obviously that's personal preference. After that, I'm going to spray them with my flash spray and wipe them down just to get rid of all of the soapy residue, and it gives a really nice shiny finish. I'm also going to make sure that I wipe all of the sides and the roof, obviously not the roof, the top and the back, you know what I mean, all of the other bits apart from the shelves as well, and I'm doing this with my cloth and my flash spray. Also, don't forget the side of the fridge as well, and the little buckets that you get on the side. These can obviously be removed. You could put them in the dishwasher, you could put them in the sink. Honestly, mine just weren't dirty enough to need to do that really. This fridge is only about a year old, so I just kept them where they were and wiped them down, but if you want to remove them, you can. As for the fruit and veg tray, I did remove that, and I put in some nice soapy hot water in the bottom of it and just got a cloth and scrubbed away. There was some dried on bits of vegetable and stuff like that in there that needed working on, so this was the best way to tackle that. And once I gave it a good soapy scrub, I dried it down and put it back in the fridge. Okay, now it's time to get out my new little organisers. These are all from Matalan. If you go on the Matalan website, you can see all of these containers and more on there. And I just need to decide what's going to go where. There's obvious ones like the egg container, but other ones I will need to play around with. All I know is that I want certain things on certain shelves. So the top shelf here I wanted to be dairy, which is why I've put the eggs there, and this little sealed container here I'm going to have as the cheese container. So it's got my halloumi and the boys' cheddar and things like that, and it's completely sealable, which is really handy for cheese. And I'm also going to put the yogurts on the top shelf as well. So I'm going to keep this shelf just for dairy. The bottom shelf here I want to be for meat, so I got 2 of the larger containers here, and I want to have one for red meat and one for white meat. I also had just enough room for this smaller container here that I put in the bits that Clint uses when he does a cooked breakfast, which I thought would be nice and handy as he has one of those most weekends. As for this middle shelf here, I wanted to focus this shelf on drinks. So I've got this handy little can holder, which I've actually had for years, and these smaller containers here, which I'm going to use for Leo's juices and for his breakfast smoothies. I will also link this drinks can dispenser in the description box below if anyone would like that. In the side shelf here, I'm going to put the boys' butter and the cheese that I use for the dog's medicine. And I'm also just going to put some beers in the drinks shelf as well. I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No. Now this shelf here, I have this little turntable thing. This is actually from Amazon, I think. This wasn't from Matalan. And I'm going to use this for sauces and bits like that. It's really handy because obviously it spins round. And this bigger container here, I'm going to put the sort of carby foods, like little pizzas for Leo and garlic breads and things like that. Milk will go in the side container here along with Mummy's wine, obviously, and then our little extra smoothies and drinks in this other side compartment. Now we've just got the fruit and veg. I forgot to get little dividers for the fruit and veg drawer, which I kind of wish I had. I'd like to have a little basket for the strawberries and one for the oranges and things like that, so I might do that on another day, but for now all the fruit and veg is just sitting in the drawer. And there you go. Today I have completely cleaned and organised my fridge, and it feels good for the soul, I must tell you. I get such happy feelings when I open my fridge doors now. It feels so much better, more organised, and just makes me happy. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.